Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Guess what guys, we are doing something very different today. We are cooking local African snails, and trust me, this is the most delicious recipe you will catch here on YouTube. Yeah, it's so delicious, the smell is so amazing. Yeah, but before we dive into the video, I would like to take you all to the market so we can buy the snails together, and the women in the market are going to go ahead and clean the snails for us, cut the snails, so that when we get home we can just rinse off the snails and proceed with the cooking. Oh my goodness, this video is gonna be fun, and trust me, you want to catch every single part of it. Yeah, let's go guys, come with me to the market. Gros comme ça. On peut payer pour faire élevage. Il n'y a pas élevage. So we just arrived the market. This is Asigame. Yeah, so we are about to buy our snail. So depending on the size, I was getting 40 pieces for 2,500 francs. That's like the smallest sizes that they had, but bigger ones, 40 is like 8,000 francs. Yeah, so it depends on your budget. You can get very large ones and you can get very tiny ones. Yeah, so medium sizes you can get 40 for 5,000, and the cleaning process is 500 francs CFA. Yeah, that's how it works. But if you don't want to pay them to clean it for you, you can always take it home and clean it yourself. Pardon, je peux m'asseoir? Ah, so there are different ways of cleaning snails. If you are not brave enough to do this, like myself, you can go ahead and boil the snails the way they are, and when you shake the shells they will easily come off. That's what I was told. I haven't done it before, but yeah, if you want to do it yourself, you can as well try that method. And to get rid of the slime, there is a powder that will be added to get rid of it. But this lady has a technique, you guys. You see what she's doing? At the end, she had a lot of slime coming out from this. I don't know how she got it out, but she has a technique of doing it, you guys. Yeah, anyways, they are pros because this is what they do all day in the market. Yeah, you guys, you'll be amazed to see the amount of slime this lady is going to take out. Are you seeing? Wow. And just look at it, almost everything is off without adding the powder, and later she will add in the powder, and yeah, we'll be good to go. It's really amazing to watch though. This is the powder she's adding here, and this is what will go ahead and like kill the slime completely, and we are ready to cook our snails. I was like, wow, this is really amazing guys, this is awesome. So after getting rid of the slime, she went ahead to cut it open and got rid of the intestines and every other thing, and this is what we are left with. We finally made it home guys, and now I'm going to clean the snail one more time with lime just to get rid of bacteria and every other thing. Yeah, so I know a lot of people don't eat snails, and I really respect your decision. Growing up I didn't eat snails as well, but after trying it for a while, I loved it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, anyways, we'll go ahead and clean the snail one more time and we can proceed with our cooking. Yeah, and it will shock you that the body cream you apply, there is snail slime in it. Hello. Because the slime is very good for the skin. like this. We are going to clean one more time. Yeah, you all will see that the slime is gone, like none is left. Can you all see? Yeah. I think everything is squeaky clean. Just like this. Before adding spices to your snail, make sure you boil it with a lot of water. Take the water out and you can go ahead and add in your spices. I have my spices here blended already. It's a mix of white pepper, black pepper, red pepper. I know there is a lot of pepper with some onion and ginger and garlic, rosemary. Yeah, all mixed together. That's what we have in there. So I'm just going to add some into the snail. Yeah, this is just to marinate the snail too. That's what it's looking like. So I added some onion and I'm going to add maggi and salt, and we are ready to boil. Yeah, so we are not going to add a lot of water so that the salt can penetrate the snails very well. Just boil with a little bit of water and later we fry. So this is our snail right here, and it has been boiling for about 15 minutes, and I'll just go ahead and start the frying. Yeah. So to improve the smell of my stew, I'm going to start by frying some onion. Yeah, because I'm making the smell with stew though, so the onion will just give it this nice flavor. Guys, I wish you can smell it right now. It smells so good. Yeah. Fry. So crispy already, and I think it's time to add in my tomato because I'm making tomato stew. I can store it for like a week or two. Yeah, and you guys, this is fresh tomato, no tomato paste at all. This one was frozen. You can see that there is ice here. Yeah. So I still have some spices left, and I'll just go ahead and add it. Adding in maggi and salt. So our stew has been nicely cooked, and I'm serving this with white rice. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and prepare some white rice so that we can eat together. Yay! So just to get some of the extra starch out of the rice, I'm going to add in some hot water. So this is just a tip, adding in some onion into the white rice and some oil drizzles will take the taste to another level. Yeah, so this is what I always do, like it gives it a very nice flavor. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and add in some oil as well, just like that. Just some drops, not a lot of oil, and we are good. So our rice is ready and it's time to give this food a try. Now it's time to finally review our food. Don't ask me why I'm using my hands. In Africa we have spoons, but we prefer using our hands. Not everybody, but I do. This is good. Perfect. So this is what the snail is looking like. I like it. It's giving me this cow skin vibe. Yeah, but it's good. So let me know if you eat snails or if you would like to try. In Cameroon, a lot of people from the southwest eat snails, but people from the northwest they don't really eat snails. Like where I come from, a lot of people don't eat snails. Yeah, I only tried snails when I was like 20 years old for the first time when I started traveling around. Sorry for not inviting you, or you all are invited. The food is so good. All the spices, the ginger and the garlic. And the onion flavor. Everything comes together and it's so perfect. I love it. Yeah. So this is called rice and stew. Usually I will get a lot of tomatoes from the market and I'll boil them and freeze them. Yeah. And I'm eating plain tomatoes, no tomato paste. This is so awesome. Let me know if you go ahead and try this food. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section if you try this. If you visited me and I served you this, will you eat it? I know some people don't really like the snail because of the slime, but usually when you wash it, it will come off, like everything comes off. And before boiling the snail with spices, just go ahead and boil it with just water to get rid of the slime, like everything. When you finally take out all the slime from boiling it the first time, you can go ahead and spice it up. That's just a tip in case you want to make snails. Yeah, so we finally come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please make sure you go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if there are any, and let me know if there was anything I did wrong or everything was good. This is awesome. It will shock you that this is my first time cooking snails. I've been eating from people, but I haven't really prepared snails myself. Thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.